What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video, and today's another minimalist video. And I know you've seen the thumbnail, Never Again. And what I want to talk about is what I will never do again is spend my money on sneakers. I used to have more than 100 pairs of sneakers, probably even more than that. And I know it used to be like a hobby or something like that, but I just sat down one day and just did the math on how much I spend on sneakers. So, I mean, I still got sneakers that, you know, Concords and stuff like that. Never wore these before. These are probably the only ones I'll probably keep. I mean, we got KDs. I mean, just an overabundance of sneakers and more sneakers, some more KDs, multiple colors of the same sneakers, some more KDs. What else? And back in the days in New York, this brand used to be real popular, Etonics. So they remind me of like New Balance. Got them in purple. I don't even like them, but I got them anyways. Just because they remind me of back in the days in old school Etonics. If you in New York, I don't know about other places. I don't know how popular they were in other places, but I mean, more Jordans, and I got rid of a lot of my other Jordans. These are all red 12s. Shoes after shoes, and the reason why I wanted to make this video is just stuff. It's just stuff everywhere of these. You know how much storage fees I have to pay just to keep these in? These are 5s and stuff like that. Jordans. Just storage fees everywhere. Just boom. What is this? Same ones. I'll never do this again. And little by little they will be going on. These are LeBrons, I believe 7s, if I'm not mistaken. I wore them like a couple of times, if that. They still look brand new, still fresh. Some more LeBrons. I got 3 pairs of the same ones, LeBrons, just all in different colors. These are the ones I wore the most. These are fresh. 7s. I probably like keep these pairs too, and I got more, just more. Look at this, all on the ground. And the thing that I got so upset about these sneakers, some of the sneakers they fell apart, especially the Jordans. They fell apart on the bottom. These right here, up tempos, these I had to glue them on the back. I don't even wear them, and I had to glue them because they were coming off. So it's just stuff. No reason to have all these sneakers. No reason. I know when you're young and stuff like that, you want all the fresh sneakers and stuff like that. But what else? Let's see what's in here. I do like running shoes, so these are light running shoes. Light. Let's see what else we got here. These Nikes I like, but high top, clubbing sneakers and stuff like that. Wearing my sneakers, what I liked about them, they're comfortable, and you can go out with these. These are about to be gone. They just about to be gone. If anybody on there is looking for sneakers and want to buy some, I'll give you a good price. I don't give a fuck. Take them all if you want a price for all of them. Let's see what's these on the bottom. Old school. These right here also. What I liked about these is the color. I believe they go in the dark too, and then the green on the bottom. These haven't ripped apart in the back. But these are sneaker collections. I mean, never again. Never again. And I still got more to show here, but it is what it is, man. It's just stupid shit that we do. And I wish I can take it all back. Because we buy these sneakers to impress other people. Impress other people, oh, I got these and you don't. Stupid shit. And I wish I never done that. Biggest mistake I made in my life. Hundreds, thousands of dollars in sneakers. Thousands. I mean, you know what? I'm going to even show you some more. Some more sneakers that I have here that I think you guys would like. So here we go back. Some more 12s. I don't know why shoelaces are off, but I think I would clean them. That's what happened. 12s about to be gone. Some more 11s. All white on white 11s. These came out, man, these gotta be about 10. No. 2010, something like that. Those came out. Some more 11s. Some more 11s, low top. And that's all I'm gonna do for today. Really want to get rid of a lot of this stuff, so little by little they be gone. Like I said to any of my young followers, I know you probably want all these sneakers and stuff like that, but if I was you guys, put that money away. Unless you flipping the sneakers and stuff like that, put them away and spend your money on investments. And if you're making millions of dollars and you want stuff, then it's cool. But if you're not making millions of dollars, then there's no reason to have all this stuff. Thank you for watching my videos. Operation Minimalist. Just getting rid of everything. Peace.